Tonight on the evening news, you will likely hear about several violent crimes that took place today. The setting will be a school, healthcare facility, corporate office, or public venue. During these moments of tragedy, we rely on sophisticated security measures to protect us from danger. Unfortunately, these systems often lay dormant as they are inaccessible or far too complicated for the average person to use. What's needed is an emergency notification system that is intuitive and ready at your fingertips. Vigilance Software specializes in emergency notification and systems integration. Not only does our software send out notification through various media types, it can leverage and control a facility's existing access control, security, life safety, and communication technologies. Consider how Vigilance Software helps mitigate loss during an active shooter situation. An office worker recognizes a potential threat and initiates an alert by clicking on her desktop icon or by pressing an associated button. Once confirmed, Vigilance Software springs into action. Facility lockdown is initiated, securing any unlocked doors. Door holders are released, securing interior sections of the building. Desktop notifications, emails, and text message alerts are sent to proper recipients. Text-to-speech files or pre-recorded messages are sent to associated phone systems, portable radios, paging systems, and giant voice towers. Annunciators, displays, and digital signage are activated displaying event details. First responders have been notified and are en route to the facility. Vigilance also monitors and reports critical information from your building systems. Our configurable software can aid in emergency and non-emergency situations, from general messaging to urgent safety matters. And whether your place of business is comprised of a single facility, a large campus, or spread across an entire district, Vigilance scales to your needs, so everyone can enjoy the perfect safety solution. We're not just another threat alert company. We're a full-blown systems integration engine. Vigilance Software, automating your emergency response procedures.